Hello, everyone. I'm Sara, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English.
I'm here to help you learn how to talk about emotions. Let's begin with the key points. What is going to? Structure of going to. Time expressions with going to. Practice examples summary. What are emotions? Emotions are how we feel inside, in our hearts and minds. We use adjectives to describe emotions. For example, happy, angry, bored, excited. Positive emotions. Here are some positive emotions. These are feelings we like to have. Happy, when you feel good, excited, when something fun is coming. Relaxed, when you feel calm and peaceful. Proud, when you feel good about what you've done. Loving, when you feel kind or warm towards someone. Negative emotions. Now let's look at some negative emotions. These are feelings we don't enjoy. Tired, when you have no energy. Worried, when you think something bad might happen. Angry, when you feel mad. Sad, when you feel unhappy. Bored, when nothing is interesting. How to use emotion adjectives. Now let's use emotion adjectives in real sentences. Here are some examples you can use in daily life. I'm happy today. It's my birthday. He's tired, he worked all day. We're excited about the trip. She's sad because it's raining. They're proud of their new project. How are you feeling? Now let's see how Lena and Sam ask and answer with emotion words.
Hi Sam, how are you today?
I'm a little tired, but I'm feeling excited about the weekend.
That's great. I'm feeling relaxed this morning.
What are they feeling? Now let's describe how other people feel. Look at these pictures or short videos. He looks bored. She feels proud. They seem worried. You can also say, my friend is sad today. My teacher was excited yesterday. What you learned today. Let's review what we learned. We use adjectives to describe emotions. Some positive emotions are happy, excited, relaxed, proud, loving. Some negative emotions are tired, worried, angry, sad, bored. Use simple sentences. I'm excited today. She's worried about her test.
Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.